My name is Milo. I come from Milan, from Italy. I'm stay here for building a ramp with Gaza Freestyle Festival group. I'm stay here 3 times. This is the 3rd time. Today we finish the ramp, and tomorrow for sure we can skateboarding with the Gaza people, and so we'll do our project finished and our dream. So in Gaza there is a lot of good person, a lot of good people. Now I have Arabian brother, my Arabian brother stay in Gaza, and I'm really happy to stay here with us to building a ramp. And for me it's really important bring a little bit of light of for this person who live in this prison. My message for the world is in Gaza there is a wonderful people. So try to come here and try to make little bit solidarity for these people. They needed a lot solidarity from all over the world. Gaza is a beautiful place for stay, but now become a prison, and you can go on the sea and you can swimming. So I want the world do something for make better this city.